Are you dreaming of moving to a vibrant city? South Yorkshire, England has a beating heart in Sheffield. With its rolling hills, stunning architecture, and thriving cultural scene, Sheffield offers something for everyone. So where do you start? Every neighbourhood has its charm and personality. These 10 Sheffield suburbs and city centres are among the best places to live. The first place in our list is nestled in the heart of South Yorkshire, England. Renowned for its excellent schools, including the prestigious Ecclesall Primary School and Sheffield Hallam University, families are drawn to the high-quality education available. The nature lovers will find solace in the lush greenery of Millhouses Park. Excellent public transport links, including the Supertram network, ensure seamless connectivity to all city corners. These amenities, combined with the area's average home rent of approximately £750 and median house price of around £325,000, make this a highly desirable location for residents seeking a comfortable and balanced lifestyle. Next is lovely Fulwood. It is on Sheffield's west side. Fulwood Primary School and Sheffield High School for Girls are great family schools. Sheffield University is handy for students and faculty. Beyond education, it offers leisure options. Millhouses Park is spacious enough for picnics, hiking, and outdoor activities. This Supertram and bus service serve this city well. Residents can easily commute to Sheffield and beyond. With an average £800 rent and £350,000 house price, it offers affordability and quality. Fulwood's metropolitan accessibility and suburban tranquility attract Yorkshire citizens seeking a fulfilling life. Sheffield's bustling south suburb, Nether Edge, offers city life and a green respite. Parents like this city for its superb schools, including Sheffield High School for Girls and Nether Edge Primary School. Students and teachers can easily access Sheffield University. Abbeydale Road's shops, cafes, restaurants, and Chelsea Park's Peace are available to residents. The nearby Meadowhall Shopping Centre offers shopping. The Supertram and city buses simplify city transit. Its typical home price is £375,000, and the average rent is £850. It is ideal for families, young professionals, and anyone wanting a vibrant and comfortable Sheffield lifestyle because of its affordability and excellent quality of life. Ranmoor is rural and urban among South Sheffield's hills. While near Sheffield, its lush countryside and Peak District views offer a reprieve from city life. Young families move to Ranmoor because of its great primary schools. Endcliffe Park is famous for picnics, sports, and outdoor activities. Excellent public transit connects it to the city centre. Sheffielders take buses and Supertram everywhere. The average rent is £875, while property prices average £400,000 in Ranmoor, balancing affordability and quality of life. We are moving towards Broomhill, west of Sheffield's city centre. Is a place for meaningful and comfortable living due to its urban proximity, lively environment, and history. The proximity to Sheffield's Western Campus makes it a thriving student community. Great primary schools like Broomhill attract young families. Several eateries, fashionable coffee shops, and exciting boutiques are within walking distance. Nature lovers may picnic, relax, and play at Weston Park and Sheffield Botanical Gardens near this city. Sheffield is great from Broomhill. It offers a dynamic and convenient lifestyle at a £300,000 property price and £800 rent. It provides a rich and delightful lifestyle for all ages and backgrounds, from busy student life and top schools to unique boutiques and green areas. Next is Endcliffe, west of Sheffield's city centre, is a quiet, urban suburb for those seeking fulfillment. Due to its proximity to top primary schools, its green lanes tranquilly attract young families. Students and researchers may easily reach Sheffield University's Endcliffe Village from Endcliffe's vibrant district. Walk through Endcliffe Park, visit Ecclesall Road boutiques, or dine at sophisticated cafes and restaurants. Sheffield Botanical Gardens offers tranquility, whereas Meadowhall Shopping Centre offers more fabulous shopping. The Supertram and numerous buses simplify Sheffield transit. Rents are £825, and property prices average £350,000 in this place, balancing affordability and quality of life. Dore, 6 miles west of Sheffield, is attractive due to its quiet village life and nearby conveniences. It has Porter Brook, lush woods, and undulating hills. Outdoor fun and relaxation are available in this lovely spot. Its finest schools, such as King Edward VII and Dore Primary, attract families. Quality education in a supportive environment helps kids succeed academically and personally. Peaceful rural Dore provides facilities. All residents can access Dore village shops, butcher, bakery, and post office. Accessible Dore and Totley train stations and frequent buses connect Sheffield and beyond. The average home rent is £900, and the average property price is £450,000, making it ideal for families, young professionals, and retirees. Millhouses, south of Sheffield in the Riverland Valley, is lovely. Beautiful scenery, rich natural spaces, and strong community spirit make it ideal for a happy and fulfilling existence. It attracts families with good schools. Dogcroft Primary School is well regarded, whereas Sheffield High School for girls is distinguished. Millhouses Park offers hiking, boating, and fishing. Abbeydale Road has many independent shops and cafes. Nature lovers can walk around Peak District National Park's magnificent scenery. Millhouses £850 rent and £425,000 property price balance affordability and quality of life. Totley, west of Sheffield, offers peace in the hills and woods while close to the city. Riversheaf, lovely gardens, and natural areas are in Totley. City getaways with outdoor activities and leisure are ideal in this paradise. Families seeking support go to its renowned schools. Totley Primary School teaches intellect, whereas King Edward VII School educates older children. Totley Village Shops features a bakery, butcher, and post office. Dore Village Shops and Meadowhall Shopping Centre have more restaurants and shops. Regular buses and Totley train station connect Dore, Sheffield, and beyond. Families, young professionals, and retirees can live well and happily in Totley, where rents average £875 and home prices average £400,000. It is a popular Sheffield area with great schools, scenery, and services. Crosspool attracts happy, fulfilled inhabitants with its urban convenience and serene suburban beauty near Sheffield's dynamic city centre. Burley Park and Crooks Valley Park are two of its lovely parks southwest of the city centre. Residents can escape the city via these green spots. Sheffield Crosspool Crooks Valley Park photo. A window opens individually. Excellent schools draw young families to Crosspool. All St. James Church of England Primary School and Sheffield High School students are supported and engaged. A lively community, it has activities for everyone. Abbeydale Road has shops, cafes, and restaurants. Meadowhall Shopping Centre is nearby, and Sharrowvale has small enterprises. The nearby Crucible Theatre and Sheffield Theatre provide cultural events. Crosspool's £800 rent and £325,000 property price balance affordability and quality of life. From trendy Ecclesall to the peaceful haven of Ranmoor, each neighbourhood in Sheffield offers a unique and vibrant culture. Whether you crave the energy of city life or the tranquility of rolling hills, Sheffield has a place to call home. So why wait? Start exploring and discover your perfect Sheffield story today.